Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. So I'm just making myself a cup of peppermint tea right now. What is it you're drinking? What is it you like to drink? I love peppermint tea. I also like organic ginger tea. It's very, very good. So today is December 22nd. You have to excuse my voice, it's a little raspy today. Today is December 22nd, so that means we're going to open box number 22 of our Advent calendar. So far, we've opened up a lot of different types of markers and palette pens and gel markers and dry erase markers and paints and acrylic paints, markers, as well as, I can't remember what they were called. Anyways, like ink markers, inks, and lots of different types of pens. So today, like I said, is December 22nd. So we need to open this box right here. So we have a tall apartment style building, and I'm gonna guess it's some more markers. So let's open this up. Ooh, aren't those fancy? Look at them. Can you see how they're red and green? These are, oh, an erasable pen. Interesting. So this one, I'm going to guess, is red. Let's get some paper. Uh-oh. There, no. It's coming. There we go. Just had to get it going. So there is the pen. And as you can see, it's a, hopefully you can see that, it's a nice red color. And I'm guessing that the end on this, it's kind of a clear white. Well, would you look at that? Imagine that. You can erase it. So there, I just erased that first part. Well, let's try the green out. That's interesting. I don't remember having an erasable pen. So let's get this pen going here. Come on, let's get going. There we go, it's coming. Just got to get it going. It's been sitting for a while, I guess. So there's the green. And let's see how that erases. And again, it's got the clear kind of rubber end on the end here. Well, isn't that interesting? You can absolutely erase that. Oops. There, I erased the part over here. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever had an erasable pen before. That's very interesting. And I love that they're red and green. Finally, we got some Christmas colors, which is fantastic. And I think these are going to be fun. So I'll probably put these upstairs with my day planner that I have. I use one every day just for something fun. You know, we can write on there and use our fancy pens for that. So I like those. Those are very cool. And I like the colors on these. They're nice. The red is nice. It's not real runny or anything like that. The ink that comes out is nice, and I think that these will be a wonderful addition to my planner upstairs. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and you can also check me out on Facebook at Krista So Crafty. I'm glad that you were with me today as we opened up these two new erasable pens. Thank you again, and happy crafting.